Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. In today's video, we're going to be covering an unboxing of a phone that I've been trying to check out for a long time right now. So it's actually been a minute because I've been looking at this phone for a long time, just waiting for the price to go down. But because of the S22 Ultra, S22 Plus, and S22 being released, this device is finally at a budget price point. And just keep in mind, Jerry Rig Everything still uses the Plus version of this guy. So we're going to get into this phone in a little bit more detail and just go ahead and start the unboxing process. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're brand new, I encourage you to subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this, because we're going to be doing an unboxing of this thing, and this is going to be the US version. So let's just, without any further ado, let's just kind of cut open the packaging and kind of see what comes inside. I might have to sharpen this. It's getting dull. Alright, so let's just take a look at what comes inside the actual box right here. And this is obviously going to be the renewed version of this guy. So I'm just kind of checking this out for the very first time, same time as you are. So kind of looking forward to seeing what comes in the box. It's nothing fancy. It's going to be like a used box. And this guy has a dynamic AMOLED display. It's also going to have dual speakers, a 6.3 inch display, I believe. So I'm getting impatient. I'm probably just gonna rip the box open, and this is everything that's gonna be coming inside right here. This is basically like a return form, instructions for that, and then they give you just the renewed packaging that you would normally see on any renewed device. Let's put that off to the side. And so now we get a really small charging cable. I don't even think this is powerful enough to charge the 25-watt battery inside of here, because they gave us this thing, which is pretty much like a 5-watt brick. Alright, so the reason I'm excited about this phone is because it pretty much packs everything that you would normally expect to see on a phone like today, like in today's day and age. But this is going to be a nice form factor in the hand. It's going to be really small when it comes to the size. It's not going to be like too crazy, 6.3 inches. So it fits perfectly in my hand. Power button is right here on the bottom. Volume rockers right above it. You get your 12 megapixel main that can record in 4K. And then you get your 16 megapixel ultra wide. And on the front, you're going to be able to get a pretty decent camera. It's a 10 megapixel. So I'm going to go ahead and boot this guy on. Then what I'm going to do is go take this guy out and get some photography and some shots on here, so we can actually see how this device will perform outdoors when we take some pictures of the front facing camera, back camera, which is the 10 megapixel, and the 12 megapixel, as well as the 16 megapixel. We're also going to be doing some video footage on here as well, because I've been looking forward to testing this guy out for a long time. Wireless charging is on here. The S Pen is on here as well, and that seems to be a little bit worn down on the tip. It does seem to be used or whatever, so it's not a brand new S Pen. But alright guys, so I did disinfect this phone completely because it was kind of getting on in the back of my mind. I was like, wait, let me clean the whole phone off. So this is a disinfectant wipe. So I'm cleaning off the back of the phone. It's completely free of germs. If you do buy a used phone, that's probably one of the first things you want to do is disinfect the phone. Make sure that all the germs are not on the phone anymore. Hey guys, so this is like low light. It's about to be sun down. So let me know how the camera is right now. It's recording 1080/30. What's going on, guys? So this is the front facing camera at 1080/30 frames per second. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is Ultra HD, which is 4K on the front facing camera of the Note 10. So let me know how the footage actually looks right now, because this this is the front facing camera. Let me know how the stabilization is. Let me also know how the mics are doing. I'm gonna do like a quick jog just to actually show you the stability of here. All right, let me turn around and face this way and let's do a slow pan. All right, let's jog back this way. Okay, so that was 4K 30 frames per second. Okay guys, so this is 4K 60 right now. And let's just zoom in 10 times on this speed sign. This is 10 times zoom while I'm walking 4 times and 1 time. And so there goes the sunset right there. And let me flip the camera because it does have a feature where you can flip the camera around. So that's actually pretty cool. Let me do a quick spin so you can see the lighting and stuff like that. There's some birds right there. 10 times zoom. Let me know how the microphones do. I'm gonna actually start running. This is 10 times zoom right here. This is 10 times zoom, so I'm just looking over in the distance to see those buildings. And this is a really cool camera. It's very versatile. And I like how you could flip it around while you're recording on the rear. So let me know how the camera did. And this is definitely pretty clutch. I'll get right back with you guys. I'll check you guys in a few. Make sure you stay locked in with me.